other demos?
Pop in here. This is somewhat of a continuation of the little bit still pie in the sky, but still trying to figure it out side of the world on the Python side. So let me share the right thing. So I have this workbook that I'm working on that I like a lot. And I said, oh, cool. Now I got a notebook. It looks somewhat familiar to some folks who may know things about notebooking. I'm not super familiar. I'm still a little bit in flight exactly what this looks like. But here I ran the queries. I have them loaded in such a way that they can access them. Still working on how the actual running and execution of the queries will work. Just because I don't want to fumble around, I popped in. I have another one over here. Here I've imported pandas. I've pulled down the data frames. I've printed it out. I have pulled them into these total references, and I can run them. Here you can see running. Maybe, yeah. So printed out everything as I asked for, as well as this one where it does some effectively a merge of the results. It's taking the, actually this is breakdown and breakdown, but here total. And you can see it did a ratio for me here. Super powerful in what you can do. It is pretty limited at this point. I actually have not tested the end-to-end successfully of this bit. So here I saved it and I refreshed it and it's still here, which is, I kicked off a deploy late last night and was hoping that it would succeed this morning. So that worked. You basically can save these things and come back to them later in the future. Still thinking about exactly the semantics of what would potentially happen here in the actual cells themselves. Like in this case, I actually am creating variables and then referencing them down here. We're thinking through some of the Marimo versus Jupyter Notebook style semantics and trying to figure out what's right there. But I think that's it. And thank you, Dan, for all the chatting back and forth that we did in order to at least get somewhere in this general direction.